Imagine this. You are standing on Earth, just like any other normal day. People are walking, cars are moving, buildings are still. Nothing feels unusual, but somewhere, something fundamental breaks for exactly 5 seconds. Earth loses gravity. Asterisk, asterisk at first. Nothing happens. 1 second passes, 2 seconds. People don't notice anything yet, but then it begins. Asterisk, asterisk, a paper on a desk slowly lifts into the air. A coffee cup tilts and rises upward. A car suspension goes loose as the vehicle gently floats off the road. There is no explosion. No sound, just silence and rising motion. Asterisk, asterisk, within seconds, entire streets begin to change. Cars are no longer touching the ground. They drift upward slowly at first, then faster. People step off the ground without realizing it, and suddenly, they are floating, not falling. Not flying. Just weightless. Confused. Asterisk, asterisk, inside buildings. The effect is even more dramatic. Office workers rise from their chairs, laptops float beside them, papers scatter into the air like they are underwater. Elevators stop working. Instantly, staircases become useless. Everything that was once grounded is now suspended. Asterisk, asterisk, panic begins to spread. People try to grab onto walls, desks, anything, but there is nothing to hold them down. The entire planet has become a zero-gravity environment, and it is not stable. It is unnatural. Asterisk, asterisk, outside. The situation becomes even more extreme. Cars that were once on highways are now drifting upward in clusters. Traffic jams turn into floating piles of metal. Street signs, benches, trash, everything rises. Cities start to look like they are slowly detaching from the earth itself. Asterisk, asterisk, but the most terrifying change is still coming. The oceans. At first, the water simply rises a few centimeters. Then meters. Then massive sections of sea begin to lift upward. It is slow, but unstoppable, gigantic. Floating walls of water form above coastlines, beaches disappear, harbors vanish, entire coastal cities look up and see the ocean hanging above them. Asterisk, asterisk, and then something even worse happens. The atmosphere begins to react. Without gravity holding it in place, the air itself starts to expand outward. The upper layers of the atmosphere begin drifting into space. The sky starts to thin. The color of Earth from above begins to change. The protective shield that keeps humanity alive is slipping away. Asterisk, asterisk, in space, the Earth begins to look different. Its atmosphere forms glowing, unstable halo. Parts of it are peeling away like smoke from a distance. It looks beautiful, but it is dying. Asterisk, asterisk, and then, without warning, the 5 seconds end. Gravity returns. Everything happens at once. There is no gentle transition. No warning. Just impact. Cars slam back onto the ground. Buildings shake violently as floating objects crash downward. People fall from midair positions. The oceans collapse back into place like giant waves of destruction. Cities are hit by sudden, massive force from every direction. Asterisk, asterisk, the damages instant. Structures that were stable a moment ago are now broken. Vehicles are destroyed on impact. Windows shatter across entire buildings. The world has experienced something like a planetary scale shockwave. But the most disturbing part is not the destruction. It is the fact that for 5 seconds, the entire structure of reality stopped behaving normally, and everyone remembers it. Scientists would later call it impossible. A violation of everything known about physics. Because if gravity truly stopped even briefly, there should be consequences far beyond what anyone could predict. But for everyone who experienced it, there is only one memory. The moment the world stopped holding them down. Asterisk, asterisk, and the question that remains is simple. If gravity can stop once, could it happen again? Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk.